Welcome to Channel 69 News. I'm Jose and this is my co-host. You should probably see a doctor about that. This just in, the body of a Mayan prince, smoking scroll, recently found. We are now going live to my twin brother Clark and his partner Chloe. Just recently, we found the body of Smoking Squirrel, the prince of 5 at the age of 5 in Naranjo. That was insane. What are your thoughts on that, Mr. Scully? Wow. Let's see if we can get back a connection with them.
Camera? I want to be in the middle.
Alright, so
I'll be taking.
we don't know what just happened, but all I know is that we barely made it out alive. I don't know what's gonna happen now. Crikey! Look over there. It's some mayans. They must be sacrificing it to the sun, the moon, or Quetzalcoatl. Oh God. Let's get out of here. Welcome back to the MBGA, here in the largest city of Teotihuacan. Ooh, what a spiffy attempt. He got an open shot. He takes it. Rebounded by the opponent, and now he scores. Now the loser's being sacrificed. That's the risk of the game. You lose your life. That's the risk of the game. I'm Hakamamo, and thanks for watching.